Viewers, welcome back to Geo Automation. Today we are going to unbox and quick review an electric bottom lock designed specifically for double swing gates. Now let's open the box and see what items are included in this. Okay, the first thing we see, electric bottom lock unit. Heavy built, it's completely waterproof. Second, we see floor strike plate receiver. This is installed in the ground where the lock pin engages. Keys for manual release. This is essential for opening the gate during power outages. Fixing screws and mounting hardware. User manual. Keep this box aside. Now let's talk about how it works and its usages. For double swing gate, wind or external pressure can cause the gate to shake or force open. This electric bottom lock automatically drops this solid pin in the ground. You can see it should be installed in this vertical position. For an understanding, I will just show you. When this pin hits the bottom plate, you can see this will be dropped. It will be dropped like this. And engage your gate. It integrates directly with your existing gate automation controller, locking automatically when your gate closed and release right before the gate starts to open. This adds a massive layer of security and wind resistance to your property. Hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Geo Automation for more automation tips and tutorials. Thank you.